The world's first rollable cell phone is about to go on official sale. Over time, there have been some brands that have launched concepts or videos of prototypes of such devices with screens that are able to unroll and with this action give the user much more space. Very similar to what foldable devices offer, but with a format that is much more attractive because they maintain a slightly thinner design. A recent report indicates that Chinese manufacturers such as Vivo and Transsion could soon launch a device for sale in this style. If you don't know, Transsion involves Infinix, Tecno, and some other manufacturer that is a bit more unknown. A few months ago, Tecno released a video of their own concept called Tecno Phantom Ultimate, where they revealed how Tecno envisions this technology applied to smartphones. It is said that it will be at the end of 2024 when both Vivo and Tecno will present their own devices with this proposal. It would have to wait if there is not another small manufacturer that is ahead, because it should be remembered that the first foldable was not presented by Samsung but by a company called FlexPi that never gained popularity, and in fact not many remember it as the first brand to launch a device with folding screen. It was Samsung that was responsible for popularizing this concept, so we will have to see if in this case of rollable devices the same thing happens or not. Since Samsung is expected to present its own rollable device in 2025, shortly after these Chinese brands present their proposal. So officially the roll-up race has begun, and it is highly likely that Vivo and Tecno will be the first to arrive.